Don't spend countless hours of backbreaking labor trying to sand the paint off your car. We can strip it for you in less than a day. We can handle all of your paint stripping and cleaning needs. We are fully mobile, so we can come to you. No need to tow your project to us. We use recycled glass abrasive, which is environmentally friendly. We can remove paint, rust, body filler, and even undercoating faster than any other method. We can even remove multiple layers of powder coating faster and cleaner than any other service. The water used in our advanced blast system cools the blast surface about 10 degrees below ambient temperature, so there's no risk of the heat-related warping that traditional dry blasting can cause. As you can see from this photo, this car has multiple layers of paint, primer, and body filler. None of them are a challenge for our blasting system. The rust inhibitor we use can prevent flash rust for up to 72 hours and leaves a perfect primer-ready surface. If you need any coating removed from any surface, give us a call or visit our website.